Hey, welcome to another new video. In this video I'm going to tell you that how you can apply on Express Entry and how you can paint an Express Entry profile under your GCK profile. You can saw that we are in our GCK dashboard. Bottom of this page you found the apply to came to Canada. Click here, just came down little bit of this page and you can find the Express Entry EE profile. Just click here. What did they are saying here? Determine your eligibility and apply online. So you have to click here, or you check your checklist outside of this website or outside. There you found a reference code and you have to put your reference code here. So we don't have any reference code, so just click Express Entry EE and they are asking for which province you want to settle. I'm just say the New Brunswick and click next. They are asking for did you have any language test. Yes, you have IELTS. When you did the test, when you take the test on your country, just click the test date and then your test score. Overall score you can find everything and just click 5 point. Okay, and then click next. Do you have other language result? I don't have, so none. In the 3 year, how many skilled experience do you have in Canada? It must have been full time. So you do not have any skilled work in Canada, right? So you have to none. If you do not have any Canadian work experience during this period, please choose none above. They are told you there. And then you found the total work experience you have outside in Canada. So you have to select. If you are not sure that NOC of your job, you can find your job NOC here. Just click here and type your NOC code and you can find your desired job that you want to take, what they need and what the educational background they need, everything. And then just click next. We have certificate qualifications. I don't have. How much money in Canadian dollar we will bring to Canada? So whatever you have, you just put it there. Do I have any family member? He or she came with me in Canada? Just put the number. And you have a valid job offer in Canada. Here is the main fact. If you have a job offer letter, they give you personal reference code, LMIA codes and everything they give you, and you have to put it on this website when you fill up your Express Entry, or otherwise you just select no. What is your birth date? Okay, give your birth date. And then if you did not earn a Canadian degree diploma certificate, you have foreign education assist agency approved. So they are talking about assist your educational background with an agency that Canada government giving you some agency list on their website. You have to give your all informations they need, and then they are assist your educational background and they give you an title like master degree to bachelor degree or something like that. So I have master degrees. Okay, check all that, apply. I have studied full-time in Canada 2 years or more. I have not doing that. I don't have these options. I don't have this, and I have at least 1 year full-time work experience. So you don't have this relative in Canada. No. So just click next. Select your material status. If you have If you married, you can select married, and they asking for your spouse information, like he have any Canadian degree, or he have any degree, he have any else, or something like that. And then if you are single, just select never married, single, and click next. Step 1 and step 2, everything is complete, so just click continue. There we found some more informations, your name, and what is your gender. I just select female. What is your material status? I already given them, but they are asking again. So we are right now in the Express Entry profile uploading documents options. You have found your personal details, contact details, study and language, applications detail, representative, and work history. So you have to complete all from there need here. So this is the way to create an Express Entry profile under CCK. Hope you guys will understand. And one thing you have to remember, that do not put any wrong information, any misleading information, any false information. If you do anything like this, they just simply delete your account, delete your applications, and you can never ever again apply for Express Entry. So be careful when you're completing your Express Entry profile. So thank you so much, and hope this video will help you. Please subscribe to my channel for more video like this. Thank you so much for watching again.